Hello everyone. I thought I'd try something new. I decided I'm going to try to do commentary videos from now on. So this is my first one doing commentary, so if it's not the best, I apologize. So anyway, what I have here is a Renaissance of Lights ceiling fan, which this is basically a rebadged Fan Company of America. There's the Renaissance of Lights tag. This fan is 38 inches, uses a GE stack motor, and it uses the mounting system that early Casablanca used before they used hang true. The fan has 4 wood cane blades, which I believe are solid wood. I'm not exactly sure. The fan has a bunch of bouncing weights on them, so I'm not sure when the fan was first manufactured. I'm not sure if they failed to weigh the blades out properly, because the blades are in proper alignment and the pitches seems to be all the same, so I'm not sure why it would be so off balanced. So I got this fan from a collector. I believe his name is John C. And originally when he got the fan, it came with a forearm light fitter that would sandwich and peen the switch housing and switch cap. However, when I received it, it didn't have the proper screws to mount that, so I have to do it this way from now on. Maybe I'll do another video with the light kit. But if you want to see a video of it with its light kit, I'll send you a link. I'll put a link in the description of when he had the fan. So, if I don't remember if I said, it uses a GE stack motor, and then it has a rubber flywheel. This fan is variable speed and electrically reversible. So I have the dial set all the way to low, and now we'll start it up on its lowest setting. I have not messed with the trim pod, so I am not sure if this is factory or the previous person that had it adjusted it. But whoever adjusted it originally, it's set to a nice slow low speed. It's pretty aesthetic. It's also very quiet on the variable speed control, which makes me believe that it is a GE stack motor, as they do work really well with solid state. A little bit of a close-up. I doubt the pole chain's original. That's just what was on it when I received it. Okay, we'll bump it up a little bit. It has one of those like knuckle buster variable speed controls. There we go. This is where it starts to go off balance a little bit. Or actually quite a lot. But I'm already starting to feel a pretty good breeze off of it. Okay, I'll bump it up a little more. A little more. Okay, we're now about at like a medium high speed. Actually, pretty much almost that high already. As you can see, it's still wobbling. Moving a very good amount of air at this speed though, and doing it relatively quietly too. little bit more. I believe we're getting really close to the high speed now. And now we'll just go all the way up. And that's full tilt. See the chain dancing around there. Like I said, it's off balance. I'm sure if I put the blades in the proper orientation, maybe I can figure out which way makes it so it doesn't shake so bad. But it is moving a lot of air because it has a nice steep pitch. I believe it's 15 degrees, but I could be wrong. But with that GE stack motor, it really packs a punch. Okay, we'll shut down here. I don't feel like doing spin down because I just don't see the point in it. So anyway, that's my Renaissance of Light ceiling fan. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more.